Hey guys, Justin Conway here, atop a ladder in David Feuderen's backyard with his Beast Pro rig, and we are giving you a first look at the Adjustable Flying Bar Cradles. These are the very first version, now tested, tried, true, ready to go, available for purchase on worldninjasport.com. These Adjustable Flying Bar Cradles fit into any of the notches in an adjustable lache system, so any of the backyard courses that we have on the site, check it out. You can simply lift up that flying bar cradles out, and then wherever you want it, drop it in and it's there. So adjustable flying bars can go forward, backward, increments of whatever those notches are set at, and on our rigs it's standard to be 1 foot across, 12 inches. If you get a second level, like David has here, you can make your flying bar cradles hop up or down, adding a ton of versatility and variability. And you can also offset these. Let's say you wanted a staggered pattern, you have one here, and then on the other side, you offset it a foot to have sort of like a walking bars. So here's your first look. I'll show you what the line looks like. Come over here, and you can see the rest of the cradles in there. And they also make a pretty nifty phone stand. As you can see, you're on a flying bar cradle right now. So that's a first look. Let's see these things in action. Check it out. First official test, get it! Four-foot gap. Yeah! Crushed it. Woo! Adjustable flying bars. Let's go!